The most striking feature of LTZ rear lounge are the two impressive lounges dominating the stern area. Designed specifically for the sun worshippers in the family, these ultra-wide, super comfortable lounges are sure to be a big hit with the young and young at heart. With port and starboard benches up front, rear lounge also features ample, comfortable seating for the rest of the group. Completing the plan is a crew rotocast helm stand with lots of storage and two adjustable armchairs. Tahoe's LTZ rear lounge. Chilling out never felt so good. LTZ highlight features include a crew helm stand with a large storage area and cup holder, a silver stereo system featuring high-power fusion stereo with 4 speakers, deluxe seat frame cladding, 2000 series multicolor Matrix 50 furnishings, and an extended rear deck with telescoping stainless steel ladder.